Minta ke Sautrik Unaitung, ke Jingelang jong kenhun Menteri jong Sarkar Jylla, kalapin Meghalaya ke Meghalaya Profession Trade and Employment Tax khandai spa South Nyo, Naka bynta ban penklan ya ke Jinglum Khajna. Hapo kanikaan, Kiba Kamai hapo iwei pen pralak ha ke sisnem kimdon kam ban Siew Khajna. Kiba Kamai iwei pen pralak hadu lailak kinhap Siew Khajna sanspa tingga, Kiba Kamai lailak hadu sanlak kin Siew 1000 tingga, Kiba Kamai sanlak hadu nyo pen sanlak kin Siew khatsan spa tingga, bat Kiba Kamai palat nyo pen sanlak Shaneng kin Siew 1000 sanspa tingga. Menteri rang ba ke Jylla ukon rat kesang ma haba pentip hadirin balawai ke Jingelang jong ke kenhun menteri ulaong balaweng no ya ke kendon ban set patok ya ki baklem Siew ya Khajna bal ha ke jaka ke ni ke kendon labesu ha ke ba ki baklem Siew ya Khajna ki haban Siew sausha nalor kasut ke bolong khat ar na sispa ha ke sisnem.
We have amended the Meghalaya Professions Trade Calling and Employments Tax Act 1947. And under this, basically this is for the professional tax that is paid. We have decided that number one, there has to be mandatory registration by all, and these will be of course based on scheduled areas and non-scheduled areas. In the scheduled areas, that will be done by the district councils, and in non-scheduled areas by the taxation department. Second, we have also amended is that anybody who has annual income of less than 1.8 lakhs will not have to pay anything. Earlier, the people who had about 50,000 and below did not have to pay the tax, but now we have enhanced it to 1.8 lakhs. Number two, there were more than 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There were more than 12 slabs earlier. Now we have reduced it to only 4 slabs. So there will be the 1.8 to 3 lakh slab, which is going to be 500 rupees, 3 lakhs to 5 lakhs slab, which will be 1000 rupees, 5 lakh to 7.5 lakhs slab, which is 1500 rupees, and above 7.5 lakhs, which will be 2500 rupees. Also, we have decided that for decriminalization of this entire procedure, where minor offences like not paying the taxes would have led to 3 years of up to 3 years of imprisonment earlier. So we have decided to remove that provision, and now the only penalty that will be there is payment of 4 times the amount that is due in the whatever the amount that is due. The person will have to pay 4 times more. So that part of imprisonment has been removed from the act. And the last is that that there will be an interest amount at a 12% per annum interest for those who are paying late.